see, we're back out on the road. We're heading up towards Berwick-upon-Tweed on up the Northumberland coast. We'll have plenty of stops on the way, so we'll bring you back then. Cheers. Thanks a lot. See you later. Hi everyone, we've just pulled into our first overnight stopover and we're back at the old Pieball Inn, which is famous for having 52 varieties of pie on the menu.
Hiya, we've had a really nice meal at the Pieball Inn. The food is always really nice there. We've come back to the van, caught up on a bit of YouTube, just popped everything on charge on the EcoFlow overnight. So we're probably just going to call it a night now. We'll bring you back in the morning. Good night. And good night from Sid. Morning guys, we've had a really nice settled night at the Pieball Inn, just us and one other camper van. We forgot to say last night that you pay £15 when you get here, but then you do get a £10 voucher that you can use in the bar against food or drink, so we don't think that's too bad, and the food's always really good, as we said last night. Today the plan is that we're going to go up to Beamish. We're probably gonna stop along the way. We're not quite sure which route we're gonna take, but once we've finished our cup of tea and we've got a plan together, we'll bring you back. We just need these two to get out of bed now.
Finally got out of bed. We're now on our way to Beamish, which is in County Durham, but on the way we're going to stop off at Elmsley, I think, so we'll bring you back then. Above the streets and houses, rainbows climbing high, up above the streets and houses, up into the sky, dee 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 dee, rainbows.
NY500 for a bit of breakfast. When we go inside, we'll do a bit of filming so you can see what they've got in there.
Hi everyone, welcome back. We've managed to get to Elmsley, so we're now at Elmsley Castle. It's an English heritage site, so we'll bring you back in a minute.
castle was constructed by Walter Lespeck around about the year 1120. The castle was a stronghold for the Loyalists during the First English Civil War. It was surrendered to the Parliamentarian forces on November 22nd, 1644, after a siege that lasted over 3 months. There's loads of information boards around the site, and it's definitely worth a visit. Even if you're not into your history, it is a good walk with great views.
That's Elmsley Castle done. We're on this way to Beamish now. Bring you back then.
Hiya, we've just arrived at the South Causey Inn at Stanley near Beamish. £25 a night, you get £20 voucher to spend in the restaurant or the bar. So we're going to go in and see what the food's like. We'll bring you back in a bit.
See you in a bit. This is our park up for the evening.
It's about 11:30 now, so we're going to go to sleep. We've got a full day tomorrow at the Beamish Living History Museum, so we'll bring you back in the morning. Good night.
Night.